Ever wondered if there is a smarter way to save while stacking out powerful tools to grow your business? If you regularly shop for software, templates, or business assets, AppSumo Plus might just be the membership that turns every deal into a better deal. But is it truly worth the yearly fee? Let us dive into the experience and value you could unlock when you become an AppSumo Plus member. AppSumo Plus is designed to make your software shopping experience smoother and far more rewarding. Once you sign up, you instantly get 100 United States dollars in coupons. These are distributed as 25 United States dollars every 3 months throughout the year, ensuring the membership starts paying for itself from day one. The real charm lies in the automatic 10% discount on every single purchase. There is no limit, no minimum, and no manual steps required. You add a product to your cart, and the savings appear just like that. But it doesn't stop there. Plus members also gain early access to exclusive deals, extended access to limited-time offers, and member-only events. If you ever miss a deal, you get a second shot during their last call phase. Some of the top original tools like King Sumo Pro and SendFox Tier 1 are fully included with your membership, potentially saving you over 98 United States dollars instantly. There's more. You get VIP customer support, where your questions are answered twice as fast. Purchases also come with expanded protection. If a tool you bought is discontinued within 1 year, you receive full credit back. Members even unlock a collection of online courses, business resources, and access to a private community of entrepreneurs. This hidden community is often where experienced business owners share real-life insights, growth hacks, and ideas that are hard to find elsewhere. AppSumo Plus costs just $99 per year, and you can cancel anytime. That's less than the price of many standalone tools, and with all the bonuses, discounts, and exclusives, it delivers far more in return. If you regularly browse AppSumo or plan to invest in tools this year, trying Plus might be a smart move. Give it a year, your future software savings might thank you.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for lifetime deal link. Also like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more video.